MIMO. So 8 by 8 in the downlink, 4 by 4 in the uplink, and MIMO is used only when SINR is high. What is SINR? To? What is I? Interference and noise. Okay, so what is noise and what is interference?
Interference is when we have like some subcarrier interference, but noise is just in the environment.
Okay.
Because it's the thing that we cannot cancel it, but we can have some method to cope with the interference.
Okay, what do you want to say?
Isn't noise typically like same level across all the whole spectrum, and interference is spikes at different parts?
Yeah, so generally interference is just another transmitter. It could be yourself too. Like she said, it is inter-carrier interference. In that case, you are the transmitter and your carriers are interfering with each other. But it could be just another base station nearby. So they both are transmitting. So that is interference. On the other hand, noise is what is happening. The sun is shining, so there is a noise, and then somebody is doing. So those noise things are very random, and they are not consistent. Whereas the interference is consistent. If you are in an interference area, you will get that consistently because both are transmitting, right? So another transmitter is interference, and the noise is various different reasons, other things which are happening in the environment, which is just the heat, the temperature, so on and so forth, which will cause radio transmission. Okay? SINR, so that includes both. SI, you take the signal, you take the interference, you take the noise, signal divided by interference plus noise, that's the ratio, SINR. If it is low, if the noise is low and the interference is low, then you don't need to use MIMO. You can just go ahead and use straight. If SINR is low, other spectral efficiencies such as transmit diversity are used. And transmit diversity is actually another form of MIMO basically. It's slightly different in what you do once it gets inside, but transmit diversity means you transmit multiple channels. Many different transmission modes are defined. U is informed about the mode to use by signaling. So basically now you might have, if nothing else, you might have different MIMO levels. So I'm transmitting 2 by 2 to you, 4 by 4 to him, and 64 QAM, 32 QAM, and everybody is different, right? So there are many, many different modes, and we tell you what we are going to use for you. Modes differ in number of antennas, antenna ports, pre-coding type, and type of reference signal. Reference signal is actually, we have called it pilot before. Okay? And so all of these could be different, and so that is what the mode is. 3 new categories of UE, category 6, 7, and 8, and category 8 supports maximum features. So now what they have is actually, by today, they have I think about 14, 15 categories. By this time when this was written, there are categories 8, category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, and category 8, generally higher the category, more expensive, more features. So the user equipment tells, okay, well I am category 8, and therefore now we can use lots of MIMOs and everything else, right? So category 1 is cheapest and doesn't do much, and so on. Category 8 supports the maximum features.